Welcome to this Teams tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to add people to a call. Before I get into that, let it be known that conference calls can be made by simply dialing all the numbers or names of the people you wish to conference call. But if you are adding someone to an ongoing call, click on the People tab on the top of your call screen and invite the participant. You can add them by their name or by their number. There is a limit of a maximum of 20 participants in a conference call, so if you intend to have more than that, it is probably best to schedule a meeting instead. Adding participants while using the phone is a little bit different, but still similar. Click on the three dots and this options bar should pop up. Click on the people icon and then Add People to type the name or number of the person or people you'd like to include in the call. And there you have it. That is how to add people to a call using Teams. Thanks for watching.